Okay, let's start. This is a class on life and environment. Let's hear our student express herself.
So hi, my name is Ethan Rao, and today I'm going to present general principles of ecology. So first, what is ecology? Ecology is about how living things and their surrounding are connected. Like we eat something, that's also ecology, or shark eating fish, that's also an ecology. Everything in nature talk to each other and depends on each other. That's what ecology is about. And I'm going to talk about ecological hierarchy. So you can see in this picture, what is ecological hierarchy? The first, individual, like living alone. As you can see in the picture, the fish living alone, that calls individual. And the next one, population. Population living in a group. A group of individuals, the same species living in a particular area is called populations. And the next thing is community. What is community? Community is all the pollutions of different species living and interacting in particular area. You can see it in here, a fish living in a particular area. And the next one is ecosystem. A community of organisms together with their physical environment interacting as a functional units. Like you can see in here, ecosystem, it's called a fish living in a general area with other animals. That's called ecosystem. And the next one is biomy. Biomy is a large-scale ecosystem characterized by specific climate and dominant vegetations, example forests, grasslands, desert. You can see it in here. And the final one is biosphere. Biosphere is the global sun of all ecosystem. We live in an ecosystem. That's called ecosystem. Biosphere. So, what are the principles of ecology? There are total of 6 principles in ecology. The first one is independence and interactions. The subtitle is everything is connected. Organisms within an ecosystem are interconnected through various interactions. Like we speak each other every day. That's independence and interactions. What are the examples of interactions? Number one, protection. One organism protect the hands and consume another prey. Like you can see in here, a shark protect the catching a fish. That's a prey. That's called protection. And competition. Competition is organism for the same limited results. Example, food, space, and light. Competition is called, you can see in here, a squirrel compete for a net. That's called competition. And symbiosis. Symbiosis is called close and often long-term interaction between different species. This is called symbiosis. Like a capybara living on a crocodile, that's called symbiosis. And another one is habiotic. And an animal like giraffe eating a leaf, that is called habiotic. These interactions shape population dynamic, community structures, and ecosystem functioning. So the next slide is about principle 2. So what is principle 2 in ecology? It's called energy flow and nutrient cycling. This is all about it. This picture is all about it. Ecosystem require a continuous input of energy, primarily from the sun, like photosynthesis. Energy flows through tropic level with some energy loss at each transfer. The next one is nutrient are essential for life and are cycle within ecosystem. The last one, decomposer. Decomposer play a crucial role in breaking down dead organic matters and returning nutrient to the soil. This is decomposing. I think you guys know what is decomposer. And the next is principle 3. Principle 3 is like population dynamic. You guys also know the population is not a static thing because it's changed over and over time. You can see it's in the graph in here. The world population is changing by birth rate, death rate, immigration, and emigrations. What are carrying activities? The maximum pollution sites that an environment can sustainably support given available resources. Population growth pattern is this one. You can see it in here. And the next is principle 4, community structure and diversity, the variety of life. A community is characterized by the species present and their relative abundance. That is called diversity. Factor influencing community structure, like species interacting, disturbance, environmental condition, successions, higher biodiversity often leads to more stable and resilient ecosystem. So about principle 5, which is adaptations and evolutions. Organisms possess traits that allow them to survive and reproduce in their specific environment. These adaptations can be physical, physiological, or behavioral. Natural selection drives the process of evolutions where individuals with advantageous traits are most likely to survive and pass on those traits to their offspring. Evolutionary process shape the diversity of life and the interaction within ecosystem. So for about the final principle, which is ecosystem, stability, and resilience. So what is resilience about? Resilience is about ecosystem stability refers to its ability to resist change. Ecosystem reliance is its capacity to recover from disturbance. Factor influencing stabilities and resilience include biodiversity, functional redundancy, and the complexity of interaction. Human activities can also often reduce ecosystem stability and resilience. So, how human impact on our ecosystem ecology? Human activity has profound impact on ecological system at all levels. Like you throw a trash on the ground, that also affects our ecosystem, our ecology. What are the examples of human impacts? Habit disruptions and fragmentations, populations, climate change, overexploitations of resources, introductions of invasive species. Understanding ecological principles is crucial for addressing environmental challenges and promoting sustainability. So for the conclusion, ecology provides the foundation for understanding the natural world and our place within it. Ecological principles are essential for managing natural resources, conserving biodiversity, and mitigating environmental problems. Continued ecological research is vital for addressing the challenges of the changing planet. Okay, this is all about it.
Wonderful. So questions.
So, like, how does a decrease in diversity, like biodiversity, substance in like ecosystem, decrease in biodiversity, like affect an ecosystem?
Biodiversity can make ecology less stable and valuable to the planet.
What is food chain in ecology?
Food chain shows the energy and nutrient flow from organism to one another.
Okay.
So, what role do producers play in an ecosystem?
Producers play like plants do photosynthesis through the sun, and like I said, the predator chasing the prey.
Another question.
Yes, yes, we all ask the questions.
You are finished?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much for your presentation.